In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Notion, 5 minutes. If you're tracking expenses, hours, or any kind of numeric data in a Notion database, adding up a column is quick and reliable once the column is set up correctly. We'll walk through opening your database, making sure the column is a proper number type, and then turning on the built-in sum calculation so it updates automatically as your data changes. Start by signing into Notion and opening the page that contains the database you want to work with. This can be a table on a page or a full database view. Make sure you're looking at the view where the column you want to total is visible. The steps are the same whether you're on desktop or the web app. Next, click the name of the column you want to total. In Notion, columns are called properties, and the calculation options you need live in the property settings. Choose Edit Property to open the configuration panel for that column. And this is where you tell Notion what kind of data the column holds. Find number format, then select number. And this ensures the property is treated as numeric data instead of text or another type. If a column is anything other than a number, Notion can't add it up. Choosing number also gives you consistent formatting across the column, which helps avoid errors. You can always adjust decimal places or switch to currency or percent later, but for now, number is the clean general purpose choice for summing. Close the settings panel, then click the column name again to reopen its menu. Look for Calculate, which controls how Notion summarizes that column at the bottom of the view. Open Calculate, then go to More Options if you don't see the option you need right away. From the list of aggregations, select Sum. The total of all numeric values in that column will appear at the bottom of the database view. A few tips to keep things smooth. The sum reflects whatever is visible in the current view, so filters and sorts affect the result. Empty cells are treated as zero and non-numeric entries won't be counted, which is another reason making the property a number is essential. If your totals look off, double-check the column type and formatting and confirm you're in the correct view. As you add, edit, or remove rows, the sum updates automatically, so you always have an up-to-date total without any extra work. That's it. Your Notion column now adds itself up cleanly and accurately. And